What's up, guys? It's Aaron here. Simon Says Farms. What an intro. Pretty boring one, but still an intro. You guys got to see all the lawn mowing I did today. I've been mowing all day. Mowing is fun until you break your lawnmower. Yes, I broke it officially. I don't know if it's gonna survive, which stinks because I am not buying a new one right now. We got to figure it out. Unfortunately, the blade is spinning on the spindle, if that makes sense. Let's see. See the blade right here? See how it's moving? It's not supposed to move. It's supposed to be attached to that spindle really tight. So when the belt drives, the belt here, when the belt spins, the blade spins, not freely. I hit one too many rocks. A lot of what I mowed down there was go-kart tracks and things like that. Not go-kart, ATV tracks and things. And it's nice to get it all mowed, but technically not the right lawnmower to do it with. I should be doing it with the brush hog on the tractor, but the tractor has the backhoe on it, which we need because if we start working on this new upgrade for the internet, which is pretty much all here, I got to build a cabinet, put the air conditioner in the cabinet, then you have a nice cold cabinet for all the IT equipment, and then put all the IT equipment in, and then we have to dig a trench from the back corner of this garage to there. So from there to there, a trench. That'll allow us to run new internet cable. So that way we're not running new equipment only. Think about it like a milkshake, and we're upgrading the size of the straw so the milkshake can move faster. And we're actually putting 2 straws in our milkshake so you can drink it even faster. In other words, so the internet works better. But yeah, I broke the lawnmower. I weed whacked. Weed whacking is my least favorite landscaping activity, but it is the most rewarding. Like when it's done, it's that finishing touch. Like right there around that round garden, the wishing well, the round garden, all that. If it's not weed whacked, it looks like poop. And then I weed whacked inside this gazebo. Not the greatest weed whacking job inside here, but got a little of it done inside here. Oh, it's hot. It's very, very hot out. Oh man. Hunger is killing me. One of the goats kicked me this morning, so let's talk about goats for a minute. Oh, by the way, you just saw my finger. See? That's what it looks like. See that whole front end from the boo-boo forward? That could have fell off, but it didn't. It's still here. Yeah, one of the goats kicked me this morning. One of the Toggenburgs. I don't know which one, but she got me good. It really hurt when she got me. Yep. Oh, I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna go check on the kids, see what they're up to. I think they want to go in the pool. Mom's working on new fragrance. Supposedly Christmas is ambitious, is what she told me. And it's all planned out. New fancy soaps. Roll-on perfume, I think, is September with coffee. So those new product lines are September. We might do a small auction in August, just for some fun, one-of-one type things. I might take some more pictures with the Polaroid camera, put those in there. She's got the paintings from Stella and Piper from earlier in the year that we just still haven't auctioned off. So we're gonna do those. Oh, that breeze. That breeze is the only thing keeping me going. It's very nice. The wind chime's kind of nice too. Oh, yeah. So I got to figure out the lawnmower because I know for a fact in exactly a week, this lawn is going to be really bad. So that'll be a project for tomorrow or this weekend or maybe Monday or Tuesday or something like that. I'll try to get it up off the ground in the garage so I can get under it safely and try to figure out what's going on. Maybe I'll Tyler or Quinn or Jace even help me with that. But that's it. This is my video. I'll let you watch some lawnmower time lapse here. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Yeah, it's not very exciting when it's this hot and humid. I'm tired. I did not sleep good, so let's touch base on a couple more things if you haven't left already. Okay, I don't know if Liz wants me to tell you this, but she's going in for knee surgery soon. You heard that. So she's going to be out of commission for like 3 weeks. She needs a meniscus repair. She has a meniscus tear in her knee, and she needs to get that fixed. So that's in October at some point. So we're planning that she will be out of commission for like 2-3 months. No, she's not coloring mandalas while she's out. She is working on other things or resting. I actually have a re-image of my hip coming up, another MRI, because it just does not feel right. So we're gonna just make sure I didn't break it, because I can't sit still, okay? I'm sorry, I can't sit still. So that's coming up, another MRI re-image. Yeah, and my sciatica is really driving me crazy. On my left side, it starts at my back and goes all the way down my knee, and it is so painful. Happens almost every day. Late in the day, I don't know what it is. I don't know why it happens, when it happens. There's no rhyme or reason. It's almost predictable, though. It almost is. It's almost every evening. I go see a specialist, a sciatica specialist, basically lower back and sciatica stuff, to try to figure out why this keeps happening. Is it a pinched nerve in there somewhere? Is it kind of like what Liz has, but not really? I don't know. All these medical things are still going on, and I am disgustingly dirty. Like, disgusting. So I'm gonna go shower and then join the kids in the pool. I mean, this is gross. It's just dirt everywhere. And then we tried to fix the lawnmower a little. Quinn and I were on the lawnmower. I can't even see you guys. There's just grease and stuff everywhere. So yeah, that's it. We hope to use the boat. I wonder if boat people have a lawn that's always really long, because I noticed that ever since we got the boat, the weekends have been kind of tied up with the boat a little bit, so the landscaping falls behind. So either they hire a landscaper or their lawn just gets long. I don't know. Oh, okay, that's it. I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow. Bye.